Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a back scratcher by Plazuria, and this should be the Cadillac of back scratchers. There's 3 detachable heads, 4 scratching modes, 28 inches extendable handle. So let's check this thing out. So this is what it looks like here. Oops, there's all the 3 heads are falling out. So we have, this is a nice little velvet bag to put it in to store it. And then here is the scratcher with, I guess this is like the big main comb one here. We can extend it there, but that'd be long. If you had a really long back, you could use that. I don't think my back is anywhere near that long, but let's give this thing a try. So this is, ooh, that's pretty, it's a nice wide scratch to it. Feels good. Ooh, yeah. Okay. So there's that version of it there. And then we can just screw this one off. And we have a claw. Look at that. Let's show you guys this up close here. Look at that. We have a little claw. Let's see what this one feels like. Wow. Oh, it's not really as sharp as the other one, so it should be good. Let's see. Yeah, this one's good. Right, it's not as sharp as the other one, so it's not much of a scratch. It's more of a, it is a, you know, it would be like if somebody had dull nails. Feels good too. Boy, these are good. And our third option right here is a 2-sided one, so that's kind of cool. So we have, you can see this side here has little spikes and the other one has big spikes, and they are plastic. So let's give that one a try. That is good as well. And let me try the other side here. Let's try the little spikes. I don't know if I can tell the difference between the big spikes and the little spikes. It feels the same to me. I guess it would feel the same because it's not like it's digging in. I guess if you were doing your hair or something like that with it, this is going to probably get better than that. Well, not going to get as deep. Yeah, so, but there we go. And it extends this long, so you could do your friend's back from it too. And it seems pretty sturdy, and a nice little kit here. And then when you're done, you can unscrew it, stick everything in this little canvas or this little velvet bag, take it with you. Great for travel or whatever if you need to have a little back scratcher on the road. So super cool little device. I like it. Thumbs up.